from printed Poonam sarees. All over India, these collections are demanded for every woman as a housewife, as a working woman piece. If I talk about the Poonam printed sarees, which starts from 100 rupees, friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So once again, welcome you all to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive collections from printed sarees. If I talk about these collections, are very fast moving collections, demanded collections in the market. These collections from printed Poonam sarees. All over India, these collections are demanded for every woman as a housewife, as a working woman, for the daily use wear. It's called as daily wear sarees. So watch this video, subscribe the channel. Retailers, if you're into a saree business, these collections you have to place an order. Hurry up. These collections you can keep it at your business because these are fast moving and high profitable business. And subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it. And for uploaded videos to tie up and to start a clothing business, you can directly tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. And online orders you can do COD, pre-advance booking payments, pan India plus worldwide. We provide you transport and shipping safe and securely. Friends, if I talk about the printed sarees, Kesaria Manufacturers gives, which starts from only 65 rupees. If I talk about the Poonam printed sarees, which starts from 100 rupees, I'm going to show you the samples. Quickly we'll see the samples, and for this festival season, this such unique varieties you can buy at factory cost and hurry up to add into your business. I can only say this. So I'll show you the samples. The first pattern, the beautiful lemon color of the contrast floral printed, which is a lightweight, is a weightless saree. So the entire saree, the body part, which is covered with the floral printed. Today I'm showing you all of floral printed only from the Poonam saree collections with the different fabrics. And this pattern you can find out from the, you can buy with the code of Sony Max. While doing online purchase, there's a code, you can say the code to the online team. You can purchase with the online code by saying this online. Sony Max is a code. This pattern you will buy. So this is a blouse. This is a one of the printed Poonam saree. If I talk about the next saree, which is a bottle green with a small leaf printed with the beautiful pallu. This is a beautiful pallu over here. You can see this is a turkey silk. It gives a shining structure of the silk saree, which is a turkey silk fabric. Turkey silk gives always a silk shining. This looks very pretty. You have a mini, both the sides you can find out the borders. And this is a mild, small tree pattern, small tree printed. It has been printed. So this entire saree looks like this. And turkey silk always gives a rich look. This code is called turkey silk. This is the second pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, a multicolor, which is a butterfly printed, very casual and stylish printed with magenta color and the Rama color. And here is a satin border, such a beautiful black color you can find out. And this pattern you will find out with the code of Kavya silk. If I'm not saying the code, you can take a photocopy and you can take a screenshot and you can easily contact our online sales team. So this is a pattern. Okay. This is the pattern. This is a dark contrast color. Such exclusive printed varieties you can buy the season, the moment the new collections come. You have to contact the manufacturers. Why? Because from the manufacturers only it goes to entire retailers all over the world. So this is the pattern, and this you got the satin with the border with a magenta color combination. So this saree looks very pretty. So dark multi-contrasted colors also you can purchase. We do have synthetic, we do have satin, we do have a chiffon, we do have a weightless, we do have a turkey silk, we do have a crepe, we have a royal crepe, we have a weightless sarees, we have a Vichitra, Georgette, multi varieties of Poonam sarees you can buy from Kesaria. Next saree, if I talk about this saree, is very pretty, which is a bold floral printed in the stylish collection. I can say there's also code called Kavya collections. Here you can see the stylish, the floral garden you may have seen in many more in the out of countries. You can see such contrast bold floral, a huge big garden. So in that way, this saree is printed this all gives very attractive, and you can see here the satin shined border with the dark black color with the core, which is it's a border which is highlighted on the same print. So this saree also very pretty. So such stylish, unique varieties you can purchase with the color chart, and every pattern you will find out with the color chart. There's no single piece. Yeah, any segment, anything you purchase from manufacturers, you have to buy set to set, because we are the manufacturers and retailers, the people who do the saree business, who do the clothing business. Everything you also need colors, you should also show to your customers. So everything will be sold by the wholesale set to set. Next pattern, light subtle colors, very classy, light color with the pastel color of the floral with the gray color combination with the half white. So this is also very pretty. Such beautiful colors. So we do have a colors, multicolors, subtle colors, dark colors, light colors, pastel colors, which looks very classy. This is also Sony Max is the code. And this is the running blouse. And if I talk about the next color, which is a dark peach color, lavender color, Rama green color combination, it comes. And in this, you will find out a checks, which is highlighted as a checks. And on that, you will get this a floral print. This also looks very unique, which is a georgette. So in this also you can take it. Every saree gives a unique, beautiful look, depend on how the fabric, what kind of print it has given. Today I've showed you only floral printed of daily wear sarees. Here you can see one more subtle colored with the pastel color. This is also a light color, you can see, with this beautiful color combination. In this also you will find out such a weightless saree. So all these pretty varieties of Poonam sarees, prices which starts from 100 rupees the factory cost. You no need to worry about the damages, because no damages, you're directly purchasing from manufacturers. When the most of the while manufacturing a saree which gets printed bundle to bundle, every saree you will find out 60 to 70 pieces, that much big roller will be there at the machine, the prints, and it automatically 630 meters with blouse they cut. When you see the process of the manufacture, it will be very interesting. One day I'll show you the saree, how it get processed. That video also I'll share with you. So these exclusive varieties of Poonam sarees, you just buy at factory cost. Bulk order also you can give any particular pattern. 300 pieces also 15 to 20 days. You can place an order. And for donating, especially to donate the working woman and to people who gets a bulk order of donating, also you can pre-booking orders you can do. Minimum quantity of 300 pieces. And if I talk about the safety and security of transport, shipping, logistics, we do the pan-India as well as international. Sea services, cargo services. And Surat, Kesaria Manufacturers is located at Millennium Textile Building, Ring Road. From Surat railway station, just 10 minutes. The numbers are on the screen. You do have a pick-up drop facilities also opposite to Surat railway station. You can directly come up from the airport also. From airport, it takes just 30 minutes, and from railway station, it takes 10 minutes. And we do have a waiting area office also, which is located opposite to Surat railway station, Doriwala Square building next to Ginger Restaurant. You can just call, you will have a smooth pickup drop, and you can do in business purchase. Even when you do wedding purchase, you have a family events kit, you can buy it, but only set to set, no single piece. Friends, hopefully you enjoyed this video of this Poonam sarees collection. So let me know at the comment box, and subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends, relatives, and the regular uploaded videos you can see, and you can easily place an order by COD, online payments, Pan India plus international. Sitting from your home, you can do, and directly visit once to Kesaria Manufacturers to clear all doubts, and you can directly tie up with manufacturers to start your clothing business. So I end up this video. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations with new collections. Till then, take care. Bye bye.